Hi guys, how are you doing? Hope y'all doing good. I'm just getting in from a long day with my fiance, and I'm not in the mood for cooking today, so I'm going to let you see how my fiance does dinner for me. So if you want to see how he cook curry chicken in the kitchen, then you'll have to hang tight and let's go. So, hey baby, so you're cooking for the honey bunny? So tell me the secret where you're going to use different from everybody else's curry chicken. What you're going to cook, what you're going to put in your curry chicken. What you got there?
Well, ain't no big secret. It's just, you know what I mean, what I want you to put in.
Alright, so what are you going to put in there? What could be ever possible you're going to put into your curry chicken that's going to be so different from mine? So what is it?
A little love, that's it.
Oh Lord Jesus.
Right here, right? We need salt,
Alright. So we're going to put our salt in.
We're going to put not too much, but you know what I mean, just enough.
Okay.
Too much salt in, good for you. Alright. So we got black pepper right here, as you could see.
Alright, so let's see black pepper.
Alright.
So how much black pepper you putting in there?
Probably 3 teaspoons.
I would say about a teaspoon of black pepper.
If you need any more, I'll put it in later. But.
Okay, so we're going to add a teaspoon of black pepper. So what else are we going to put up in this thing here?
Garlic salt.
Garlic salt. So about a teaspoon or half a teaspoon of that?
And I don't know.
What a half?
You know what I mean? Half a teaspoon. Just...
yummy.
So we got ground ginger right here.
Yes.
You gotta have ginger.
You have to have ginger in there. Exactly.
It's a must,
Yeah. So what do you think the ginger do for you?
Well, build up everything inside there.
Good. And it's sick your stomach for all the people that can't tolerate curry.
Yep, definitely.
But then again, you can put ginger on just about any meat. So what else you gonna have to put in here?
Try this garlic mix.
Okay, so we're gonna add our garlic. And if you guys have fresh garlic, you could use it, right, baby?
Yeah.
Good. So we're gonna put like about a teaspoon of that?
Yeah, a teaspoon. It's good enough. Alright.
What else you gonna put in here?
I like my lemon pepper. My lemon pepper seasoning.
Yeah, that's
lemon and ginger is good.
Right. Alright, so you put your lemon in there. Lemon pepper. And that lemon pepper is good when you're making chicken wings.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you could put it on any meat. What else you gonna put in here?
We got
a
salt-free seasoning. Yeah.
Yep. So we're gonna add that in there. The kitchen smells nice already,
Let's start yet. Alright, so.
Okay.
That's about it, right? I got the curry.
You got the curry. Which curry you using here?
The Jamaican curry. You know what I mean? Every curry tastes different, but the Jamaican curry just to me is just what I grew up with. You know what I mean?
Right.
Alright, so basically we got everything right here. Over here we got the onions, the thyme. I'm gonna put some carrots inside here, and I'm gonna put sweet potatoes.
Sweet potatoes.
But they're gonna be this.
Oh, baby, that's Irish potatoes.
Irish potatoes. What is it? That's gonna go in later. I got my pepper also.
Yes.
And the thing that's to kick it off right now is this right here.
Oh Lord!
A little drop of this.
You see that, guys?
Or some Jamaican rum.
So am I wicking up the kitchen now?
Let me rub this up.
Oh yeah. That looks good already.
Remember, when you're washing the chicken, make sure you use vinegar. If you ain't got no vinegar, make sure you use
or lemon juice.
Lemon juice to take that that scent out of it.
Right.
Raw smell.
Right.
Then you know what I'm saying. You're good to go.
You know, and it's just crazy how some people be cooking and them not wash their meat before. You don't know what they might do with it at the supermarket.
And clean, make sure you clean your meat also.
Right.
You know what I mean? You gotta clean it.
Definitely. I fully agree with that, baby.
Alright, so when you're done, you're supposed to look at it and you can see, you know what I'm saying, anything else you needed. If you need more black pepper, you could put it on. You need, this is where it's supposed to look.
Right.
Alright?
Yeah, that looks good. That looks amazing.
Now when I do all of this now, I could put the curry on it. Alright?
You're going to put the curry on it or you're going to put the curry and fry it first?
I'm gonna fry some and put some on it.
Okay.
Alright?
Yes, teach me something, baby. Teach me. Oh, yeah. That looks good. Okay, so you will put about a teaspoon or what?
Yeah, around 2 teaspoons.
Okay. And how much chicken did you use? About a 2 pound or 2 pounds of chicken?
Nah, this is like probably, yeah, around 2 pounds.
About 2 pounds.
Around 2 pounds.
Good.
But I mixed it up. You know what I mean? I use a little breast and I use you know, a little bony part of the chicken.
Oh, good.
You know what I'm saying? Just to give it that, you know.
A little piece of this and a little piece of that.
Exactly.
That's what I'm talking
If
about.
you use the breast alone, it ain't, you know what I mean? It ain't gonna taste as good as it's gonna taste when you mix it up with the bone.
That's what I'm talking about, baby. You the best. That looks good, babe.
Try to mix everything up.
So how long we gonna let that sit for and marinate? Maybe about a half an hour?
Yeah, half an hour, 45 minutes.
Okay. So we let that sit and marinate for about half an hour, 45 minutes before we move to the next step. So what do you say? What anything you want to put on there again, or we're good to go?
Well, I'm gonna put a little of the curry inside of the oil and let it get that color.
Okay, good.
You know, just something, you know, a little trick about it.
You know, a lot of people, you know, don't burn the curry or they burn the curry. But as long as you cook it a long period of time, make sure you cook your curry either way. Because curry have a tendency to hurt your stomach. If you don't cook it right, then you're going in a big problem, right, boo?
Exactly. But I like, you know, burn it a little bit, you know what I mean?
Right. So you say we're going to move to the next step? Baby.
Yeah.
So now what are we doing here, boo?
Yeah, we about to put this chicken inside the pot. And you already know that we burned the curry already.
Yeah, we burn the curry first.
For like 10-15 minutes.
On very low heat.
Yeah.
And you don't want to burn it.
Exactly. And then I want to put some butter inside of it.
How much butter are you going to put?
I put 2 teaspoons.
Okay. Make it nice and buttery.
Yeah. Then you cover it up, turn it down, and you know what I mean?
And so you just leave it to steam?
Medium, sit down, simmer down slowly, and you're good to go.
Okay, so you make sure you put the fire up on medium, right? That's so?
Yeah.
That's the proof in the pot. And there you have it. So now it's gonna steam for how long, babe?
I give it like, you know, 15 minutes. I come back, look at it, see, you know what I mean, how it's going. Then, you know, 30 minutes I start putting in, you know, 15 minutes I start putting in my seasoning, like my scallion, my onion,
okay,
my carrots,
and those are over here,
thyme and stuff like that, you know.
Okay.
I don't want to cook too much, you know.
All right, so you don't want to cook too soft before you start adding in.
Like 15-20 minutes.
Okay. So see you back. All right, baby. So what is our next step?
Okay, now we gotta look and see what we're looking at. How does it look inside here?
Oh, that looks good.
The water simmering out a little bit.
Right.
So you gotta put a little more water in it. But before, let's put our seasoning inside here with the carrots and thyme and pepper and everything. Gotta have the pepper.
Right.
All right. Scotch bonnet pepper preferably. You got an onion, you got a scallion, thyme. I just put a little potato inside here just for making the gravy more thicker, and the carrots.
Oh, the kitchen turn up loud.
And we're gonna add a little water to it. Not much, but just a little bit.
So the little bit of water just cook down the potatoes and the carrots and stuff.
Exactly. And
this is a trick to the dish.
This is a trick to the dish.
And what are you putting in there?
Some vodka. You could use vodka or Jamaican rum.
Okay.
But this is the trick about it. This is my kitchen.
And you can do whatever you want in your kitchen.
Everybody cook different, you know what I mean? So you put like, you know, probably a shot of vodka inside of it. And as usual, you gotta take a shot for yourself.
You're bad.
Cover it up.
So that's all done.
Okay, guys, it's all done. That's what it looked like. So it's done. Now we're gonna just put it on the plate and let you guys see what it looked like, and then go for the taste factor.
Oh yeah, that looks good.
I'll have my fiance, you know, tell you what it tastes like.
Yeah. So see you back. So here you have it, guys. It's all finished. And so, baby, you want to take that to the table? That's so sweet. What am I going to do without you, honey? That is so nice. That's why I love them the way I do. Always take the time out for me.
Thank you for food that provide us with. Thank you for giving us health and strength. Thank you for giving us this wonderful food that provide us with. Forgive us for the sins we have caused against you. These mercies of the hearts in your Jesus and Christ.
Amen. Thank you, baby. So thank you guys for watching and tuning in. And I will catch you on the next video. Ciao. I'm going to let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, it's time for eat. So see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.